Alright friends, now we are going to build a calculator using switch case structures that performs the 4 basic operations. So we will ask the user to enter 2 numbers and an operator, and depending on the operator, the corresponding operation will be performed using a switch case structure. So let's do it. First, I define 2 variables. I use double. My variable type is double, and then double number 1, and number 2. Okay, I define it. And then I define a char variable named operation. I come here, I say char operation. I say operator. So we ask the user to enter all operator and number 1 and number 2. Okay, that's why I create a scanner object to get input from the user. I come here, I say scanner, and then input equals to new scanner. I need to import this scanner, so I come here again, scanner, I enter, you see I import java.util.scanner. I say new scanner, and then inside the parentheses I give system.in. Okay, so first I will take operator from the user. So I give my message to the user using system.out.print. I want to take it on the same line. That's why I use print instead of println. So my message is which operation would you like to perform? Okay, so inside the parentheses I give my operation, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so I take operator from the user. I say operator equals to, so that's char. So for taking this I use next method and then char at method. So what I need to do, I need to take it first character, so that's why I use 0 index. Okay, so I need to take first number. So for doing this I say system.out.print, and then I give my message to the user. I say enter the first number. Okay, so number 1 equals to input dot next double, because the type of these are double. So I need to take second number. I copy these, I come here, I say enter the second number. So number 2 equals to input dot next double. Super. So what I need to do, I need to open a switch block. I come here, I open switch block. So inside the parentheses I give operator. So depending on the operator I have cases. I mean in cases plus I will do addition. So in cases minus, I come here, cases minus, I will do subtraction. So let's define result variable here. I say result, and then for addition result equals to number 1 plus number 2. Okay, what I need to do, I need to print this. I come here, system.out.println, and I say number 1. So I use plus operator. So string, I give my string value, which is plus also, and then I concatenate it plus number 2. I want to say equals, so equals is string, so I concatenate it, and then at the end I give my result variable. Super. So I copy these, I come here for subtraction, I paste here. So result is number 1 minus number 2. I change it, number 1 minus number 2 equals to result. Super. So my third case is multiplication. I copy all. I paste here. So case multiplication. So result is number 1 times number 2. So I change it. Number 1 times number 2 equals the result. Okay. So my last case is division. I come here. I change it. I make division operator. And then result is equals to number 1 divided by number 2. Okay. So I change it also. So number 1 divided number 2 equals to result. So what's my default case? If I enter a character other than these, I mean plus, minus, multiplication and division operator, what I need to do, I need to give an error message. I can say invalid operator. I come here, system.out.println, I say invalid operator, which is my error message. Okay, super. So I need to close this input object at the end of the program. So the switch statement ends here. So at the end of the switch statement, I come here, I close this scanner object by using input.close method. Okay. So let's run it. So which operation would you like to perform? I can put colon here. So I say Control C. I put colon at the end of this line. Super. So I run again. Which operation would you like to perform? I say plus. So enter the first number, I say 5. Enter the second number, I say 4. You see 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Super. I run again. So which operation would you like to perform? I say minus. My first number is 5. My second number is 4. So as you see, 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Super. I run again. I say multiplication operator. So enter the first number 5 and second number is 4. 5 times 4 equals to 20. Yes, that's correct. I run again. I want division operation. So my first number 5, my second number 4. So 5 divided by 4 equals to 1.25. Yes. I run again. So I enter question mark. So enter the first number 5 and second number 4. You see I got my error message on the screen. Invalid operator. Super. I hope you understand all exercise.